Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circular brush. First, let's cover the basics of selecting the right tool. Choosing the correct size and bristle type is crucial for achieving optimal results. For instance, a smaller brush might be ideal for intricate details, while a larger one covers more area efficiently. Always ensure your brush is clean and ready for action before you begin. Now, let's dive into effective techniques. When using your circular brush, apply consistent, even pressure. This helps achieve a uniform finish across your surface. Maintain a steady, controlled motion, guiding the brush smoothly. Remember to overlap your strokes by about 1/4 to ensure complete coverage and avoid any noticeable lines or missed spots. Circular brushes are incredibly versatile for various applications. They are excellent for tasks like cleaning and polishing different surfaces, bringing back their shine. You can also use them to efficiently remove tough materials such as rust, old paint, or persistent grime. For creative projects, these brushes are fantastic for blending colors and adding unique textures to your artwork. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your brush and staying safe. After each use, thoroughly clean your circular brush to extend its lifespan and ensure it performs well next time. Store it properly to help maintain its original shape. Most importantly, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gear, such as eye protection, especially when working with power tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.